Teshi Delek everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about a camera cage. This cage looks like a product from Small-Rig. We love Small-Rig camera gears. But today, what I brought here is not from Small-Rig. It is called Falcam F22 from Ulanzi company. I don't have any sponsor or supporting from Falcam Ulanzi. I bought it from own my money and just sharing my experiences. What is a camera cage? Why we need it? Camera cage is for securing your whole camera body and useful for good shoe mounting. Camera cage is very good for camera secure and when you use many gears, like lights, mics and monitors etc. Especially for video makers, like vloggers. If you use big lens for sport and wildlife shooting, then camera cage is also giving more benefit, stable, secure and stronger hand grip, feel like you just grabbing a real rock-solid gear. I bought it for Canon R6 Mark II, but it is also suited for Canon R5 and R6 too. You can find it from the link posted below in description. This camera cage has some quick release interfaces and many shoe mounts. Its material is aluminum 6061. It has 225/6G weight. This cage is really a solid gear and protecting high level my camera. I love it. Thanks for watching my video and please don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like it.